Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Eden Sherpa, and I'm the student of aviation and also the student of IFA. And today's my topic is about life of cabin crew. We know about cabin crew is a work field which represent an art of teamwork. The members of cabin crew often called as flight attendants or air hostess. Being a cabin crew, every day starts with a new adventurous journey. They have varieties of pre-flight, during flight and post-flight responsibilities to guarantee passenger safety and comfort. There are many duties as a cabin crew. There are follow as number 1, pre-flight duties. Cabin crew responsibility is to prepare aircraft for a flight, and including ensuring the safety equipment is in place and cleaning the cabin and ensuring the passenger information is up to date. Number 2 is passenger service, welcoming passenger, assisting with boarding and providing service through the flight. Number 3 is safety and security, informing passenger about safety procedure and handling any situation. Number 4 is dealing with passenger, like addressing passenger needs and making safe and comfortable environment for everyone. Being as a cabin crew, they have many challenges they have to face, like long and unpredictable hour. Cabin crew work long hour, often at odd hours that can affect their personal health, and irregular schedules, like the job can require standing extended period and lifting luggages also, and other physical demanding tasks. And at the least, dealing with difficult passengers. Beside this, cabin crew get to visit many destinations as a part of their job. The job offers opportunity to meet people with different culture and backgrounds. Working as a cabin crew offers chances to experience different culture and lifestyle. Thank you.